Alright, so let's try to summarize what we've learned about the state design pattern. So given sufficient complexity, it pays for us to formally define all the possible states of a system, as well as the events or triggers which kind of transition us from one state to another. So some of the things that we can define include the following. So first of all, we can define the behaviors as we enter a particular state or as we exit a particular state. So you can actually, in the context of the stateless library, for example, you can provide lambdas which specify what exactly is going to happen as you enter a state or when you exit a state. In addition, you can specify actions when a particular event causes a transition. Also, you can have guard conditions which actually enable or disable transitions, so you can sort of block a transition temporarily if you want to. In addition, you can specify default actions when no transitions are found for a particular event.